Hello guys, in this course we're going to explore Webflow, and just to give you a brief overview about myself, my name is Pierluigi and I'm a brand and UI designer. However, I built website for almost 7 years now, and I started using Webflow over the past 2 years, and I really love it because it allows us designers to really build the front end in a very easy and efficient way. So in this course, I'd like to briefly introduce you to Webflow. We're going to go through the details of the different options, and we're also going to go through a project demo so that you can see how to create a Webflow website from start to all the way to the end. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this video series, just subscribe to my channel, and so that you can see the updates every time a new video comes out.